How to pause or delete a kayak price alert. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to edit or delete your kayak price alerts? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com, then go to your profile in the top right. Now tap on your account. Head over to Notifications tab. Here you'll find the price alerts that you have created. Now you can tap on Edit and then you can edit your price alert. Or if you want to delete it, you can just tap on Delete right there and then confirm the deletion. So that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.